We came up to this point in the previous video. So in this video, we're gonna go further and create some drooping drops. I don't know what we call it. That looks like dropping thing, of the icing. Right now, it's just a straight line, but we're gonna make it kind of up and down, which looks like real icing. So let's do that. First of all, I'm gonna go to edit mode and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Right now it's not showing any points and vertices because we have this solidify modifier, and if we temporarily click this thing, okay, and hide the modifier, we can see the points, the vertices. Okay, but we don't have enough vertices to make it look like something like it doesn't have enough points to add drop, okay, the droopy thing. So we're gonna go to object mode, click on the icing, and here we have this subdivision surface modifier. If you don't find it here, you need to go to this icon here, spanner icon, modify properties. So we're gonna apply this. We're gonna put 1 in viewport, levels viewport, and apply. But before applying, we're gonna grab this and keep it here. We're gonna move it up, okay, and then we're gonna go to this arrow and click apply. Now if you go to edit mode, we can see there are lots of points. Now we can move it in a better way, so let's do it. So if you do this, click here and grab by pressing G. It's gonna move it like this, but it is like we'll see that there's kind of space here. It's moving outside the donut, so we don't need that. We don't want that. So what we're going to do is there's something called snap. Okay, if you turn it on and then go to this option, because there are lots of options. From there, you're gonna choose face project, and you're gonna see these options after you choose this face project. Okay, once you go to face project and see these options, just choose project individual elements. Okay, now if you do this, click and grab by pressing G, scroll up to choose less area, do this. Okay, now if you move like this, you can see it's not going outside, it's just sticking to the donut. So that's what you want. If you turn it on, you can see. Okay, we're also going to go to modifier and add subdivision surface. Okay, to make it look even smoother. Okay, so let's turn off the solidifier again temporarily. Okay, so now what we can do is just can click, grab, and click, grab, click, grab, up and down, whatever kind of effect you want, just create that. Okay, I'm pressing G to grab and just, you know, pulling the points down. So another thing we have to do is, if you just do this, it's okay, but we're not getting that drop, okay, the look of the drop. So what we do is click 3 points, okay, choose one, hold shift, click, and click. Now press E to extrude. Okay, now if you drag your mouse down, it goes down. Okay, click, and then if you press S, you can scale it. Scale it down, and again press E to extrude again. Click again and press S again. Now you can scale it up. Okay, so how it looks, let's see. That's how it looks. We can go back and just adjust them, choose them, press S, okay, scale, again go back, choose these, press S and scale a little bit. Okay, so let's move this no, it's okay. What we can do is go to subdivision surface modifier and go to levels viewport and increase the number to 2. That looks more kind of, smooth. It looks smooth. Turn the solidify off for a while. Again, let's go to this point, grab, come down, choose 3 points, extrude. Okay, press S, again extrude, click, again press S to resize, scale, and click. Okay, so that's how we're gonna create this kind of drop effect. Okay, let's come to object mode and let's see how it looks. Okay, this is how we create this thing. Now we're gonna do one more thing. Let's click on the donut, not the icing. Let's go to edit mode, and for this one, let's go to object mode first and click on the icing and press H to hide. Click on donut, go to edit mode. Now we're gonna apply this subdivision surface. Go to levels viewport, put it to 1. Go here, sorry, we're gonna go to object mode to apply it. I'm sorry about that. We're gonna go to object mode and then now click apply. Come back to edit mode. Now you see there are lots of points. Okay, what we're gonna do is press 1 on number pad. Okay, or you can just press on this X or Y axis, and we're gonna turn on the X-ray, and we're gonna drag like this. This is going to choose the central part of the donut. or the middle part of the donut, sorry. And now we're gonna press S, and we're gonna scale it a little bit down. Okay, turn on the X-ray. Now let's come to edit, object mode. Okay, this is gonna look like donut now. Alt H to show the icing. But wait, what's happening here? The icing is kind of going out of the donut. We need to snap it again, but don't worry, we can do that by choosing or clicking on the icing and adding another modifier, which is shrink wrap. Once you do that, you're going to go to target, and this eyedropper tool is shown. Click on the eyedropper and then click on donut, not the icing. Click on donut. That's gonna snap to the donut, but it's looking weird. It's because the shrink wrap modifier is way down, so we need to move this shrink wrap to the top of the modifiers. Okay, once we do that, it snaps to the donut. Okay, so that's how we create this drop or droopy thing, whatever you call it, in Blender. Okay, so far we've done this, and after this part we're gonna go to next video, so keep practicing.